Making my way through the hood, sipping this yak. Niggas about to get blown with the Mac. Riding around the block with a Glock. Yo ass finna get shot. That's the silencer. That's the grenade launcher.
Oh my god. What's going on, guys? It's been a while, I know. We're back finally on the channel. A lot has happened. I have not uploaded in, well, a very long time. So I apologize for that, you know what I'm saying? I just decided I'm gonna come back because, you know what I'm saying, I miss you guys. I miss making videos. Yeah, but long story short, I had a little hiatus because, you know what I'm saying, I was just going through a lot and whatnot. It's really taxing on the mind and, you know, along with all my other BS. So yeah, that didn't give a good explanation at all. I've been out of it for too long, guys, and I don't know how to talk. All right, we're doing a Gunna video, okay? I got a sample. It's a really cool sample, yeah. And we'll man, all that stuff. I'm just gonna get started. Okay, here's my sample right here. Okay, yeah, I just need to open this up in Edison actually because this is not what I really wanted. Alright, I like that. That's cool. Because I think I know what I want to do now. Yeah, let's add some reverbs. Let's EQ that. Alright, very nice. Let's try finding a little decent counter melody. I forgot how to make beats, man. I don't even know. I'm gonna add a sub bass, okay? Because I'm gonna continue with the drums. Kind of cool. I might have to mess with the growth speed a little bit because it's kind of weird. Ooh! Alright, my camera's about to die, so let's make this quick. Oh, I got the perfect... Alright, okay. Guys, everything's in order. Right now, everything's in order. The drums are good. I kind of went through that kind of quick, but alright. The counter melody, I need to do that after I charge this battery up real quick. And yeah, we'll do that. Actually, no, let me finish up. I'm gonna finish up the 808 pattern because I think one of the sounds is out of key or one of the notes is out of key or coming along very nicely. Alright, 808 pattern is done. 808 pattern is done. Now we need to do the counter melody. You know, I'm gonna open up Nexus real quick because, you know, Nexus is lit. Alrighty, children. We have created a pretty dope beat. Got the counter melody done, as you saw. I think I kept it in the video. I used the Whistler Bell this thing preset on Omnisphere. Sounds pretty dope. It's really dope. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you because I don't feel like arranging it. And yeah, we're yeah. Have a listen. Well, there you have it. There is my Gunna type beat. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and my return to the YouTube scene. I'm probably not gonna do videos every day. I really wish I could, but I just cannot. My brain is just insanely overflowing with brain things. So yeah. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications, okay? Because you know what I'm saying, we got new videos coming. I'm gonna try and do 3 videos a week. See if I can do that. But yeah, thank you guys so much. If you're still here, you're still supporting, thank you. Appreciate it. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.